Well, we're out doing a cache, and it's called The Rebirth of the Waterfall. And it's out in the middle of this field. Up there is, what do you call those things? Those frisbee golf up there. But look at this little area in here. Pretty interesting. I like the reflection there. Yeah, pretty cool, huh? I don't want to drop anything. Yep, trying out my new knees. Ah. Oh wow. Dark back there. So we were just out doing another cache. That wasn't so easy. Well, not the magnet one. I was too short, but we did one that was a piece of wood. You had to find a piece of wood with a little bitty cache in the wood, which I located it. I told Dave, get that piece of wood. Alright, that's it. That's all I got. Alright, we found the cache. We found it, and we're on the other side of the... This is so cool. It's like out in the middle of a field. Like the lost waterfall. I mean, look at that. And it goes under. I should so have this camera strapped. I do not want to lose my camera. And look at that. It goes under. And I'm standing right on top of the pool. We were trying to figure out how deep that sucker is, but can't see the bottom. So, pretty cool, huh, Dave?
Yep.
Alright.
Nice little location.
Scary stuff. Sasquatch. Alright, Dave's climbing up here, replacing as a cache for stealth.
Oh, that one went right where I was going to put it.
Alright, he threw some rocks up to hold it in place, so... Stealth, did you really climb up here?